The Beginner's Guide to Investing in Cryptocurrency, Tips and Strategies. Cryptocurrency is rapidly becoming one of the most popular investment options in the world. With the rise of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, many people are now interested in investing in this new and exciting market. However, cryptocurrency investing can be intimidating for beginners. With so many options and strategies to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to start. This guide is designed to help beginners get started with investing in cryptocurrency. We will cover the basics of cryptocurrency, how to choose the right cryptocurrency to invest in, and strategies for successful investing. By the end of this guide, you will have the knowledge and confidence to start investing in cryptocurrency and potentially reap the benefits of this exciting new market. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any central authority like a bank. Instead, it is based on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger of all transactions made with that cryptocurrency. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with their own unique features and use cases. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is that it allows for fast, secure, and low-cost transactions that can be conducted anywhere in the world without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. It also offers a high degree of privacy and anonymity, which is especially appealing for those who are concerned about their financial information being shared or stolen. However, cryptocurrency is also highly volatile and can be subject to extreme fluctuations in value. This means that investing in cryptocurrency can be risky and requires careful consideration and research. It is important to understand the basics of how cryptocurrency works and to carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards before investing any money. The benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. The world of cryptocurrency investing can seem daunting, but the potential benefits are numerous. For one, cryptocurrency provides a new and innovative way to invest and diversify your portfolio. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by governments, banks, or any other central authority. This means that it is not subject to the same market forces and regulations as traditional investments, which can offer a level of security and stability in uncertain economic times. Another benefit of investing in cryptocurrency is the potential for high returns. While cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, they also have the potential to skyrocket in value, offering investors the chance to see substantial returns on their investment. Additionally, investing in cryptocurrency can often provide access to unique and highly innovative projects that are not available through traditional investment channels. Finally, investing in cryptocurrency can be a way to support a decentralized, peer-to-peer system that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with money and financial systems. By supporting the growth and development of cryptocurrency, investors can be a part of a movement towards greater financial freedom, transparency, and accessibility. Risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. As with any investment, there are always risks involved, and investing in cryptocurrency is no exception. One of the biggest risks associated with cryptocurrency is its volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly in short periods of time, and it can be difficult to predict these fluctuations. Another risk is the potential for fraud or hacking. Cryptocurrency exchanges can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, and there have been instances in the past where exchanges have been hacked, resulting in the loss of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the lack of regulation surrounding cryptocurrency investments is a concern for many investors. Unlike traditional investments such as stocks and bonds, there is no government oversight or protection for cryptocurrency investments. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency should be approached with caution, and it's always a good idea to do your own research and seek advice from financial experts before making any investment decisions. Types of cryptocurrencies and their uses. There are currently thousands of cryptocurrencies available in the market, each with its own unique features and purposes. Here are some of the most popular types of cryptocurrencies and their uses. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. This is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It is used as a digital currency for peer-to-peer transactions and as a store of value. 2. Ethereum, ETH. This cryptocurrency is used to power the Ethereum blockchain, which is used to develop decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts. 3. Ripple, XRP. This cryptocurrency is used for cross-border payments and remittances. It is designed to be a fast and efficient alternative to traditional banking systems. 4. Litecoin, LTC. This cryptocurrency is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but it has faster transaction times and lower fees. 5. Bitcoin Cash, BCH. This cryptocurrency was created as a result of a hard fork in the Bitcoin blockchain. It is designed to be a faster and cheaper alternative to Bitcoin. 6. Tether, USDT. This cryptocurrency is designed to be a stable coin, meaning that its value is tied to the value of a fiat currency like the US dollar. It's important to do your own research and understand the purpose and potential of each cryptocurrency before investing. Some cryptocurrencies may be more suitable for long-term investment, while others may be better for short-term trading. By understanding the different types of cryptocurrencies and their uses, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos.